Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook except Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook or Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have those apps yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app. I'm gonna open Messenger. Then on the screen you can see chats, stories at the bottom of your screen, while search option and menu at the top. Tap on the menu, then go to settings. Once you go to settings, you have to scroll down and find account center. Under account center, select see more in account center. Then tap on personal details under account settings. Once you do that, you can see there's account ownership and control at the end of the options. Select that. Then you have to select deactivation or deletion. Now select Facebook. Then you have to select deactivate account and tap on continue. Once you do that, you have to tap on continue again. Then they're gonna ask you for your password. Type in your password, make sure you don't make any errors. Then all you have to do is give a reason why you're deactivating your Facebook. Select a reason and tap on continue. Then you can see on your screen they're gonna ask you if you're sure. Tap on continue. Then make sure you tick that box saying continue using Messenger. Then scroll down and tap on deactivate my account. And guys, that's it. That's how you deactivate Facebook except Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.